Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Old Bay seasoning. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining. If this is your first time being here, please do me a favor, go down and hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down and hit that description box where not only will you find the recipe for this video, but also a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Old Bay seasoning. Let's drop down here and see what the ingredients are for this. We're starting out with 1 tablespoon of bay leaves that we have ground up, 1½ teaspoons of dry mustard, 1½ teaspoons of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cardamom, and 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, we're going to start with our bay leaves. I grabbed these bay leaves that I found in the standard size that you find in the grocery store, and I did about half of that bottle right there in a food mill, as you can see here in this quick video. I ground these up. There's still stems in there that I want to get out, but we're going to grind this once more. So I'm going to go ahead and add those in there right there. That's about 1 tablespoon right there. Smells just like mentholatum rub. And we got our ground mustard in there, or salt and pepper, our paprika, our celery seed, the nutmeg, ground ginger, our peppers. So another reason why we're going to grind it up again, because we have the celery seeds and the ground peppers in there. I got our cloves, our allspice, and our cardamom. Just mix that up. That's what we got. We're going to grind this up again. We're going to do a photo shoot, and we'll be back to talk more about it. Photo shoot, and this has got some really good fragrance come off of it. You've got that cardamom, you've got the curry, a lot of Indian flavor and influence in here, along with the bay leaf, which is just very fragrant. That's kind of the most fragrance coming out there. Like I said, it smells a lot like the Vicks Vapor Rub you put on when you were a kid on your chest to make you feel better when you have a cold. So this is good on, we know, seafood, shrimp, fish, a lot of crab boils, things like that. It's also good on corn on the cob, and it's also very good on chicken. I had this on chicken wings one time, and it was a very, very good different way of doing it. Like I said, you get that when we first did the bay leaves and they were by themselves, they're very light, and when they're in there flying around with that blade going, it doesn't chop everything up. You saw those stems in there, but when you add everything else together and mix it in there, there's enough volume in that funnel that's going around to where it's gonna, those blades are gonna shear everything up, and it did get all the stems out of there. So there you go, do it yourself Old Bay seasonings. I hope you give it a try. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and give this video a comment, like this video, and then share this video and this channel with everyone you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.